Hello guys, welcome back to Zik the Programming Guide channel. My name is Beatrice and in today's video I'll be showing you how to fix MX Player audio format not supported problem. So as you can see on my screen, if your MX Player is actually having this issue of the audio format EAC3 is not supported, so I'll be showing you in this video how to fix that. So the first thing you have to do, you have to go to your Play Store or your Apple Store to update the MX Player app. So go to your Play Store right here, type MX Player. So if yours needs to be updated, you actually need to update it. Mine is already updated. So afterwards, the next thing you have to do, you have to open it up. Open up your MX Player, and the next step you take, you click right here below your screen. You can see the Me profile right there. You click on Settings. You click on Audio right here. Click on Audio, and you can see Audio Player, use as Audio Player. You click on it and click on Audio Equalizer as well. Yeah. So this is actually going to help you. So after doing this, and it's still going to, and it's still pop up, the next thing you have to do, you have to go to your setting, your phone setting right here, and you go to Apps. Click on Apps and you scroll down. You see the MX app right here. So you go to your storage. You have to clear up the data right here. You have to clear it up, delete, and delete this chart as well. So it might be as a result of bug issues. So after doing all this step, I'm sure it's going to stop. So it's going to actually fix the format not supported. If this guide was helpful, give this a thumbs up and equally subscribe to get more helpful tips like this. Thanks for watching guys. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.